Hi. Today we will see how to find out if a stock has touched its 52-week low or not, using the Pine script programming language. Let's see the code. This is an indicator function with the name, find a 52-week low candle. Here, first, we find out the lowest point among the last 12 candles. And then we check if the current candle's low is the lowest point among those 12 last candles or not. And if we find such a candle, we show a label under that candle. But, why have I used the number 12 here? This is because I'm specifically going to use this indicator on the monthly chart of a stock. And 12 months consists of 52 weeks. So to find any data related to 52 weeks, we can use the data of 12 monthly candles. So that is why I have purposely used the number 12 here. If you are going to use this indicator on a weekly chart, you have to use the number 52 straight away. On the daily chart, you have to use the number 364, because there are 7 days in a week and 7 into 52 is 364. But among these 364 days, there could be many holidays, so this calculation of the daily chart is not reliable. So let's stick to either using a weekly chart or monthly chart for this indicator. Now, let's add this indicator to the chart and see the result. Right now, I'm on the Nifty monthly chart. And we can see that the indicator has pointed out 2 candles which are the lowest in the last 52 weeks. This was the 52-week low when the pandemic happened. You can count 12 candles before this signal, including this candle itself, and see that this candle actually has the lowest low among all those candles. Similarly, you can also find 52 weeks high. I'm not covering that part in this video as it is exactly the same. So that's it. That's how you can find out a 52-week low using the TradingView Pine script. Thank you.